All right, how you guys doing today? All right, so I'm going to answer another question about the one-page funnel system, right? Because I get a lot of questions every day, which is interesting, okay, and which makes it easy for me to explain every time how this one-page funnel system works, right? Because it looks a little bit different from other programs, right? But it's not. It's not different, but it just looks different. And I think the most interesting, why it's getting a lot of people attention is because you only spend $7, right? You spend $7 to register for the program, and then all you do is share your link, and you could earn commissions of as high as $100 to even $1,000, right? So imagine just spending only $7, but you get that opportunity to earn high ticket commission. So I think that is why it looks a lot different. But I'm going to explain why it is possible. It is not guaranteed, but it is possible, right? And with $7, you are not like spending a lot of money, so it doesn't really. So I think because of the cost is low, right? So a lot of people is like, does it really work that way? But you need to be in our Facebook groups, and then you see a lot of people that are already being paid, right? Now, how do you get paid? That's the first thing. So the question the person asked me was, how long before you get paid? Which is a very, very genuine question, because you have to understand how it works, right? So if you make, or if the system makes a sale for you, like you would notice almost every day I'm getting a sale. So if the system makes a sale for you, all right, now how long will it take before you get that money into your bank account? Now there is a minimum hold of 1 month. I think that between 4 weeks to 6 weeks, right? So there is a minimum hold for the money. Now, some of you say, oh, I want that money immediately, right? It doesn't work that way when it comes to online business, right? You must give the buyers the opportunity to decide if this is best for them. So usually there is a guarantee to the buyers that this is a great program, okay? And then the buyers now have to look at this program. Is this the best for them? And they give them a guarantee between 4 weeks to 6 weeks, right? So because of that guarantee, you cannot get paid until the guarantee is over. And it's not only one-page funnel system. Most programs are like that, so don't. Most programs are like that, right? We most of the time, we always like to get the money immediately. Even me, I like to get the money immediately. But the risk in that is you risk if the buyer decide that, look, I don't want this program, or the buyer is not happy or something, you find that you get into trouble because you have already spent the money, and the buyer is now asking for his money back, right? So that's why instant payment is great. I like it, but it has a very, very big risk. Nobody tells you about the risk. But there's a big risk, right? Because all the buyer need to do is just go to their credit card company and just request a refund, and that's all. And then you get into trouble immediately. So giving the buyer the time to make up their mind is very good, is a very good guarantee. And secondly, if they now wants to even, after all the guarantee period is over, if they now wants to challenge the payment, they usually lose, because you give them a good time. This is over a month, this is over now. Are you sure this is what you want? So that is the reason. Let me not overstress it, right? You want to give guarantee. And with the one-page funnel system, there is a guarantee. Okay? And that is good. But we found out that most of the time, people like the program. I have not seen people cancel at all. They like the program, and so it's a completely done for you program. So it's exciting. So don't worry about that. The guarantee works. It's the best for everybody. It's best for the company. It's best for you to have a guarantee, right? Now, and then that is just one part of the guarantee. That's the company side. Now, what about the product side, right? Remember, you are not buying any product. Now, so that means that the product itself, they have their own guarantees. You understand? You understand what I mean? Like if you go on ClickBank, I think ClickBank has a guarantee of almost 2 months, right? So ClickBank keeps the money, they don't release it for over 2 months. We have some other companies, like there's a particular company that I think what it's called Lead Sleep, right? Because I promote their product. I think they keep the guarantee for almost 90 days, right? So every other company has their guarantee. So one-page funnel system has its own guarantee. The products themselves have their own guarantees. So based on the guarantee of each product, that's how long it takes you to get paid. But so far, I think within 6 weeks, everybody has been getting paid. So that's good. Like those that started 6 weeks ago, they have already started, they have received their money. If you go to the Facebook group, they are getting their payment straight to their bank account. All right, so that's the guarantee side. Let's leave that now. So let's now talk about how you get paid, right? So once the guarantee is over, you get paid right now through two methods, right? That's the easiest way. There could be more ways to get paid, but so far, two methods are being used right now. Now, the first method is Wise Transfer. Right now, if you are online, so many people have Wise bank accounts. So you should have a Wise account, right? So that is the first way, and I think is the easiest way. So if you have a Wise account, you get paid fast, swift, almost on the same day that after the guarantee is over, you just get paid. So if you can set up a Wise account, it's called Wise Transfer. If you can set up a Wise Transfer account, that is good, right? And I think most countries like the USA, Canada, Europe, most of them can easily set up Wise accounts. So one of the first methods that you get paid with is Wise, okay? Now, the second method that you get paid with is direct bank transfer. Now, so those people that don't have a Wise account, they use direct bank transfer. I use Wise, and I think most people use Wise. But if you don't have Wise, you can get your money through direct bank transfer straight to your bank account, okay? Which is good. So it's international bank transfer. So you have to be able to get your international bank details, give it to the admin. So once your time for payment, they send you your payment straight through direct bank transfer. Now, there's advantage and disadvantage to those things, right? But I think the disadvantage is mostly on the direct bank transfer. There is the fees for you to receive money in most countries is very, very high. It's really, really high. So you have to make sure for you to use direct bank transfer, that means you have earned some good amount of money, right? Because your banking transfer fee can take a lot of your money. But with Wise transfer is negligible, right? So that's why if you can have Wise transfer, that is very good. But I think if yeah, I think those two are convenient for almost everybody. No matter where you are in the world, you can get a direct transfer to your bank account wherever you are in the world. But like I said, bank transfers are expensive. But if those of you that can have a wise transfer account, that's the best. Get it. I think so far that's the two that is using right now. But just like most other businesses, you can always talk with the admin when you have enough commission and the guarantee is over, and then they can create a new method for you personally. So that is not automatic, right? So like, I'm not going to talk about that, but like I always say, if you have a problem like that, talk with the admin, right? The owner is easily available. He's in the Facebook group. You can just send him a Facebook message. He responds. So that makes it easy, right? Now, so I think I've answered those questions, right? How long it takes before you get paid? Usually after the guarantee period, and the guarantee period is always between 4 weeks to 6 weeks. How you get paid either by wise transfer or straight direct bank, international bank transfer. So get that. So that's how you get paid. That's how people have been getting paid. So that's very good. Now, so you can see that it's very, very easy. So if there are more questions, you can always leave it in the comment below. I'm going to respond to them, all right? Now, let's talk a little bit about the one-page funnel system, just for people who don't know about the one-page funnel system. So I'm going to make it very short. So the one-page funnel system is a 100% done for you CPA marketing system, right? If you remove the CPA, it changes its name, right? So it's a CPA marketing system. What that means is that the products are gotten from a CPA platform. Okay, that's where the products are gotten from. So a CPA platform is almost like ClickBank platform, JVZoo platform, Warrior Plus platform. So it's the same, right? So you don't actually buy the products to be able to make money from the product. So that's why this one-page funnel system is simple, because the creator doesn't buy the products. You don't buy the product, so but you could still make a lot of money from the product. So that's very, very good. So that's why you can just pay $7 and you can still be able to make up to $100, $300, $600, $1,000 if the sale is gotten for you, because it's a CPA marketing system. Because a lot of people keep asking, how is it possible for you to join a program for $7 and you could still make very high ticket commission? It's because it's a CPA marketing system. It's almost like ClickBank, is almost like JVZoo, is almost like Warrior Plus. You don't actually buy any of those products to be able to promote the product. The reason why a lot of people cannot promote it directly is because you need to be approved to promote those products, and to get the approval is very, very difficult, right? So, but with the one-page funnel system, you don't need any approval. In fact, you are not the one selecting the product. The company selects the products that they promote for us, right? And most of the time, they try to select high-ticket, high-converting products so that the company can make money, you can make money. So that makes the job easy, right? And it's a completely done for you system. You don't have to set up anything. You don't have to buy anything, nothing. All you need to do, you just pay your $7 one-time payment to become a member of the one-page funnel system. You get your link and then you start sharing your link. So you share your link on different social media platforms. You can share it on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, wherever you like, right? You just want to get people's attention. And since the product is just $7, it's very, very high converting, right? And I'm not kidding you. It's very high converting because it's just $7. So you just share your link. So once you share your link, now the system takes over. So that your job stops with sharing your link. You cannot even do better than that with the system because it's a done for you system. So the only thing you can do is share your link. Once you share your link and then you start getting visitors to your link, okay? Now the system takes over. And then the system does all the follow-up for you. It follows up by email. It follows up by email mostly from what I've seen. And it promotes multiple products to your leads. You don't choose the product. It just promotes multiple products to your leads. And then whenever a sale is made, that is when you make a commission. So it could happen that you could just get a sale today or in a month's time. Even if as long as you have promoted the link, even if in a 6 months or in a year, whenever a sale is made, that sale is recorded in your name. That is why this is a nice system, and I highly encourage all of us to encourage the creator because you don't get a system as simple as this, all right? Okay, so that is it, guys. If you have questions, leave it in the comment below. I'm going to attend to all the questions and then make a short video like this to explain it to other people who have the same questions, all right? And if you want to get started right now with the one-page funnel system, it's just $7 one-time payment, no monthly fees. So you don't have to worry about fees, right? Just pay your $7, get your link, start sharing your link, right? That's all you really need. So if you want to get started, there's a link description above. Click that link, get started, or I'm going to also leave another link in the description below. Do the same. All right, so with that, I am done, and I will see you again. Take care. Bye.